We launched Fly Kouzina, which was India's first aircraft-themed restaurant.
Wow.
In the year 2014 end. 2 years later, we launched Kouzina Mining Company, which was again India's first coal mine-themed restaurant. Following that, the very next year, after Kouzina Mining was launched, we launched Kouzina Marine, which was again India's first submarine-themed restaurant.
Crazy.
So each and every restaurant had a different theme to offer, a very different experience for our customers as well.
This is the final vlog which we're doing in Kolkata before we move to Siliguri and Darjeeling for a special coverage as well. So we thought about doing something different this time around again. 3 different restaurants in the same vicinity in Salt Lake, Sector 1. Kouzina Mining, there's Fly Kouzina, there is Kouzina Marine with 3 different concepts, mining, airplane as well as submarine. So what we thought of doing is we're going to be trying out food in all 3 in the same day. So I'm going to be having my starters at Kouzina Mining. We're going to be having main courses at Fly Kouzina, and finally we're going to be having desserts at Kouzina Marine, and we're going to be showing you all 3 restaurants in the same vlog. How about that? Let's get inside and let's get started. We are finally settled inside Kouzina Mining, the first stop of the day. So we're going to be having starters over here. This is the only non-vegetarian restaurant from the Kouzina Group. So we thought of trying out the starters over here because they have some amazing options. I've been coming here from a long time and I've selected the best of the starters which I've tried out over here. 1 fish, 1 prawn and 1 chicken. So we've gone for all the signature items over here, which is the Kala Pathar for a chicken starter. We have a fish orli, and finally a garlic butter charmola prawns. This is so good. So these were the starters which we've tried over here. All 3 of them taste very unique, very different. Prawns, I don't need to give you a review anymore. The prawns are brilliant over here. I really like the fish orli. One reason what I like about this particular dish over here is that it's not deep fried and dripping with oil. That's not the case over here. So they drench the oil, it's not soaked in oil. That's pretty good, and the fish is very fresh. About the satay, most of the places which are serving satay, it becomes very chewy and very dry inside. But the Kala Pathar over here, it retains its moisture inside and it's very well dressed. It sticks on, it's a little sticky outside. It's perfectly dressed, perfectly marinated. You must try these 3. Over to the next stop, Fly Kouzina. That's the boarding pass which you have over here. It's good. Alright guys, so we are settled inside Fly Kouzina now, the in-flight airplane themed restaurant at Salt Lake Sector 1. We are going to be trying out the signature main courses over here. So we're going to be trying out something from the continental section, some from the Indian, since it's a multi-cuisine restaurant, like all the other restaurants of the Kouzina Group. We have the first main course of the day at the Fly Kouzina, and this is a pesto pasta. What I like about all the food items over here is it is prepared expertly. Any cuisine you take it, be it the Indian, be it the continental or the Chinese, they have different head chefs for each department. And it is done so beautifully with so much of love and affection that every bite which you take at Fly Kouzina, you're going to remember it. The Blue Lagoon at Fly Kouzina is my favorite mocktail, not just here, but in Kolkata. Liberty to choose between which restaurant do we want to have which course. I think it was a no-brainer that we are having main course at Fly Kouzina, because the main course over here, be it your continental, be it Indian, it is just magnificent. So we're starting off with a Kashmiri naan, and we are having that with the very popular dal makhani over here. Corn and pea pulao with a special malai kofta. See how soft this is. Silky smooth, soft, with the deliciousness of the malai. I have to shun the cutleries when you're having Indian food at Fly Kouzina at least. This has got to be one of the best Indian food restaurants in Kolkata, or perhaps in India. We're almost done with our meal, so it's worthwhile mentioning that the boarding pass which you remember seeing at the beginning of this particular restaurant video, so this one has a special discount given to every customer. So this discount is a flat 10% at any of the three restaurants which they have, and it's going to be valid for a month. So that's pretty cool. We have the main persons behind the Kouzina brand. First time on camera. Yeah. Hi, welcome Mohit as well as Rishi. Welcome to Foodspa. Hi. Thank you for having us over since the past 3.5 years. I think it's 4 years, right?
Yeah, it's been close to, in fact, 4.5 years.
How has the journey been? You've given a great experience to lakhs of people, not just in Salt Lake and Kolkata, but also people traveling from everywhere. So how has the experience been?
The experience has been great. So me and Mohit, we entered this industry approximately 6.5-7 years back.
All right.
Fly Kouzina was launched in the year 2014 end. Since then, the journey has been a fairy tale for us. We have learned a lot. Every day has been a new day for us, and we are still learning.
What went behind the concepts, like theme restaurants which you're trying, be it airplane, be it mining, be it marine, pretty unique concepts, right?
Yep.
When you started off especially. So what went behind? What were the thoughts behind these?
So 6.5 years back, when we conceptualized Fly Kouzina, we did a research and we realized that Kolkata didn't have any great theme-based restaurants. And as we all know that theme attracts a lot, right? Dining in a pure fine dine restaurant where we can't engage customers. We didn't want that.
All right.
We always want to sell an experience rather than just food or a decent ambience. Since with that mindset, we launched Fly Kouzina, which was India's first aircraft-themed restaurant.
Wow.
In the year 2014 end. 2 years later, we launched Kouzina Mining Company, which was again India's first coal mine themed restaurant. Following that, the very next year, after Kouzina Mining was launched, we launched Kouzina Marine, which was again India's first submarine themed restaurant.
Crazy.
So each and every restaurant had a different theme to offer, a very different experience for our customers as well.
I think calling this a decent ambience is going to be a tremendous understatement as well as a disservice to you both. You always spoil us with these amazing new concepts which you come forward with. So what is going to be next?
Fly Kouzina is coming up with a few franchisee outlets in different parts of India to be quoted.
That is crazy, and we are hearing it for the first time here.
Exactly, and by God's grace, and if everything goes well, then we might be launching Fly Kouzina very soon in south part of India.
India or Kolkata?
India.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So yeah, we are really trying hard to make our Kouzina a brand, a global chain to be precise.
Wow.
So we are working on that.
Fantastic.
Apart from that, we have various themes in our head.
Okay.
Lovely, innovative themes, and if everything goes well, then by this year end, we'll be launching one more Kouzina brand with a completely different theme.
This is the last vlog which we're doing in Kolkata. So after this, immediately after this, we'll be covering a few places in Siliguri as well as Darjeeling. So when you hear the word Siliguri, does it ring a bell? Would you like to say something to us, our viewers watching?
All right. Since you have.
Since I've done my homework and my little body is pretty good at giving me extra news, please.
So before COVID, Fly Kouzina signed a franchisee for Siliguri. Our agreements and the paperwork have already been done. If everything goes well, then we'll be having our first franchisee outlet outside Calcutta in next few months.
Great. And final words, something about Food Spa you guys would want to share with the viewers?
So Shabazz, me and Mohit, we have been friends since past many years. We are more like buddies, and Food Spa is doing great, and you like coming up with these amazing vlogs. These are something new, and our best wishes are always there with Food Spa, and I hope that we stay associated for another few decades.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, guys. Always a pleasure talking to you guys on or off camera. And we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and we cannot thank you enough for being such amazing hosts every time that we've visited your properties.
The pleasure is all ours. Yeah.
Cheers. We're done with the main courses at Fly Kouzina. Over to the best part of a meal, which is desserts at Kouzina Marine. Guys, we have the desserts, the final bits of the menu, and we're sitting at Kouzina Marine, the marine themed restaurant at Salt Lake Sector 1. So we have the three desserts over here. You have an Oreo chocolate cheesecake. You have a very beautiful looking tutti frutti ice cream, and you have a sizzling brownie. Based on the sweetness level. So the cheesecake over here is the least sweet of the three items which we've ordered. So this is an Oreo cheesecake. You also have an option of a classic cheesecake. whatever you order, it's going to taste good. The sizzling chocolate brownie, which is not sizzling anymore, we managed to somehow tame it, because otherwise it's difficult to have it. So you have a chocolate brownie, this is the sauce, and you have ice cream by the sides. A little bit of an ice cream also. I will tell you a secret. I just love the brownies at any of the Kouzina outlets. They're really good. Final dessert of the day, what has been a marathon effort. We're doing a lot of marathon efforts recently. So this is a tutti frutti. It has a lot of scoops of ice cream, a lot of fresh fruits, cherry on top, drizzling with a lot of syrups. Amazing. That was our experience today. We had an amazing time shooting at all the Kouzina outlets today. If you're liking our contents which we're doing, please do share it with your friends and family. Mention it in the comment section as well so that we know that you're watching. This is Food Spa wrapping up from Salt Lake area, which I think after today is going to be known as Kouzina area. Until next time, cheers.